There is a black hole in the Milky Way. Astronomers have discovered the existence of a supermassive black hole directly at the center of our galaxy, which could very possibly be considered the greatest astronomical discovery of the 20th century. Welcome back to Space Unearthed. Today we will talk about a huge object that is 4 million times more massive than our own Sun. So let's see what this massiveness is all about. The solar system in particular is one of many unusual elements in the vast and varied universe. The entire cosmos, from the galaxies to the stars and planets, is a wonder to see. Many astronomers and scientists worldwide consider these magnificent creations and the theories explaining them to be works of art. They are learning more about space and the Milky Way as they continue to study and explore our cosmos and its worlds. Our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy, and thanks to advanced technology, scientists have discovered a great deal about the universe. Their most recent findings revealed that a massive structure located directly in the Milky Way galaxy's center has been found. Scientists started to seek explanations for this unexpected discovery to determine what this enormous structure might be, which has sparked many ideas and additional experiments. There have been many discussions and theories, but no one seems to be aware of the best way to handle this peculiar issue. What is this enormous structure at the galactic center of the Milky Way? What size and construction is it? What impact would it have on the nearby planets in our solar system and those nearby? The Milky Way galaxy, which contains our Sun and a billion other stars, is a massive spiral arrangement. The Milky Way galaxy is a vast collection of stars, dust, and gas, which is how it remained and received its name. Even though it is known that Earth is located within the Milky Way galaxy is the unequal collection of gas clouds and stars that spans the skies when viewed from Earth. In contrast to other exterior star systems, astronomers don't seem to comprehend the nature of the galaxy. This is because a thick layer of interstellar dust prevents astronomers from easily viewing the galaxy with optical telescopes because it's invisible to the human eye. As a result, astronomers and scientists are forced to calculate the galaxy's actual structure, breaking it down into all of its constituent parts using infrared and radio telescopes. These telescopes can identify the kinds of radiation that passes through these enigmatic substances. A team of Chinese astronomers recently made a surprising discovery that appears to prevent cosmic rays from traveling all the way to the Milky Way's center. These cosmic rays are proton-like particles that are sped up by moving celestial bodies like supernovae and black holes. Due to the fact that these cosmic rays are employed to investigate basic physics, their study is crucial. The idea that the Milky Way is embedded in a reasonably homogeneous sea of these cosmic rays gains support as more observations are made. The scientists search for novel insights at the center of the galaxy, which is considered a mysterious yet significant source of very energetic particles and is situated 27,000 light-years from Earth. However, that is hardly the most perplexing aspect of this story. The same Chinese study team also discovered that as cosmic rays approach this region, also known as the Central Molecular Zone, or CMZ, they appear to accelerate. The pace of the speed increase of these beams is frightening. The Milky Way galaxy's innermost molecular zone is completely shrouded in mystery. It is entirely distinct from the other parts of the galaxy and is challenging for astronomers and scientists to examine. The heart of this Milky Way and the area around it are both coated by space dust, which makes it difficult for astronomers to observe. This area extends as far as 700 light-years. Scientists came to the conclusion that the Central Molecular Zone is the ideal location to watch and research star birth when they looked at these components, since the gas is a raw material needed for the process of star formation. The mass of this Central Molecular Zone, which is 60 million times larger than the Sun, was also studied by the researchers. Additionally, it is the environment and the source of the following unexplainable radio and gamma ray emissions. The Chinese team that investigated the CMZ initially intended to use the region to investigate cosmic rays and particles that have been sped up due to high energy states, including speeds near the speed of light, brought on by potent cosmic occurrences like stellar winds from massive stars and supernovas. Cosmic rays, according to the former researcher, were evenly and slightly dispersed over the Milky Way. The team's findings and the information required for the Fermi Large Area Telescope, however, indicated that the amount of cosmic rays at the galactic core is lower than anticipated. Although the authors of this study have their own theories suggesting that the magnetic fields associated with the molecular clouds of gas in the central molecular zone may be the factors preventing the transmission of cosmic rays, their research led them to the conclusion that there is something blocking the cosmic rays in the center of the Milky Way. They claimed that a number of factors, including the impact of magnetic field compression and self-excited magneto-hydrodynamic turbulence, can prevent cosmic ray penetration into intermolecular clumps. The researchers looked at this phenomenon in relation to how solar winds and magnetic fields can prevent low-energy cosmic rays from entering the solar system. This phenomenon may result from material that Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the heart of the Milky Way, directs into the winds. Additionally, the scientists suggested that the black hole might be the powerful force accelerating the cosmic particles they discovered, or that this effect might have been brought on by pulsars, rapidly rotating neutron stars. Supernovas, which are the explosive deaths of dying stars, may have been another contributing factor. The modelling of the gas cloud and cosmic ray density, which is akin to 3D modelling, was admitted to be constrained by projection effects. The researchers concluded their study by stating that there would be a clearer picture and explanation of what precisely is happening at the Milky Way center if additional observations and future models were to be implemented. They would be able to better understand the mechanisms underlying cosmic ray behavior thanks to this. Astronomers and scientists would gain a great deal of knowledge about our physical reality and its surroundings if all of this were accomplished properly. The huge black hole at the heart of the Milky Way galaxy was first seen and described by astronomers in May of 2022. The discovery that the object they have been monitoring for years is actually a black hole was made possible by this image. Using observations from a global network of radio telescopes, a research team around the world known as the Event Horizon Telescope, or EHT cooperation, recorded and created the image. Their findings supported the public image and pointed to a black hole. As stars have only been observed orbiting an invisible, dense region that is also an incredibly massive at the heart of the Milky Way, scientists have eagerly anticipated seeing an image of the black hole. The black hole itself cannot be seen because it's completely opaque, but the blazing gas that surrounds it creates a telltale impact in the form of a dark central region that is called a shadow and a light ring-like structure that surrounds it. This new perspective shows the light. The new view pictures the light, quote, bent by the gravity coming back from the black hole, which is 4 million times more massive than our sun. We were stunned by how well the size of the ring agreed with the predictions of Einstein's theory of general relativity, end quote. This was a quote by EHT project scientist Jeffrey Bauer from the Institute of Astronomy and Astrophysicists in Taipei. Due to the black hole's distance from Earth, which is approximately 27,000 light-years, these groundbreaking observations have greatly enhanced our knowledge of what occurs at the galactic nucleus and have revealed new information about how these enormous black holes interact with their surroundings. Researchers created the EHT, a virtual telescope the size of Earth that connected already existing radio observatories from across the world to create the ideal view. In the same way that a lengthy exposure time is employed in photography, the EHT made its rounds whilst it viewed Sagittarius A on various evenings, gathering data for a protracted period of hours. The EHT team's findings were released a little while after the announcement on May 12 in a special edition of the astrophysical journal, Letters. The discovery has particularly pleased scientists because it reveals a stunning outcome of their long-term research. This might be just a few baby steps in the journey of unearthing all the wonders of space, hoping for a better understanding of our universe. With that note, we've come to the end of our video. Thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon for more notifications on our upcoming videos. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.